Hello, welcome back to Lancaster's Adventures. I'm Jeff, and hopefully today we're going to catch some nice bass. Come on along. I was going to take this off. I'm going to switch back to a Cinco. I just have so much more confidence in it. Cinco. I'm going to try this Fluco real quick. I haven't had too much luck on the fluke, but I'm willing to try it. And of course I hit every limb. Good morning, everyone. Sitting here drinking coffee, watching the sun come up, and the woodpecker on the feeder, and the red birds. And just thinking back yesterday on my fishing trip, it wasn't the most productive fishing trip I ever had. In fact, you've heard the saying, some days are diamonds and some days are gold. Some days you're young and some days you're old. Sometimes you get the bear and sometimes the bear gets you. Uh, I didn't catch fish. I got several bites, but you know what? It was a fun day on the kayak, and I'm just thankful I got to go. And I look forward to our next trip going fishing. See you then.